at me.
Alright guys, welcome back to, or welcome to my channel. What we got in store for today is my newish Stihl blower. I bought this thing brand new. It is the, let me find the cover, the BR 200 backpack blower. It's the small one, and what I think I'm going to do is put some holes in the exhaust, get a little more power out of it. I've got the I know you could drill these screws out for the high and low, but the high is maxed all the way out, so I'm not sure if I could drill that and go further with that, but figured I'd show you guys the piston and stuff. It's looking pretty good in there. I don't know if you guys can see that too well. Let me see if hard to do. I got this big Milwaukee light. Let me get the piston. We'll get it right there. You can kind of see the top of it. See some of the cylinder wall and whatnot. But yeah, it's in good shape. I probably only got 20 hours on it since I bought it brand new. If any of you guys got that electric start one from Stihl, let me know how good that one is, because I might purchase that one. So let me know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take you guys along through drilling some holes in this muffler or whatnot, and if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned. Alright guys, well, what I did here, which I thought so, this little spark arrestor was threaded in here. Sorry about the angle, there you go. It was threaded in here, so that threads out and you go from that tiny ass little hole to a bigger hole, so that alone might be enough, but I still might drill some extra holes right here for the hell of it, because I don't care how loud it is. I just want a little more power out of it. But just wanted to show you guys, this does unscrew right out of it. I think it's a 16 millimeter or something, but I just hit it with the impact and it came right out. So alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, getting it back together. I took that thing out and I drilled two smaller holes. I didn't want to go too big at first to see what it does, and like I said, I want to play with those screws some more too, see what I could do with those and whatnot. So yeah, I'm getting there's 3 bolts that hold these covers on, these pull string covers, and it is a T25 Torx. Just if you're wondering, so you don't have to look. There's 3, and then there's 1 down here, and then that whole thing comes off. I had to move the choke, I believe, just a little bit, and the plug wire I just took off. It just made it easier putting it back on. So give me a second here, I'm gonna fire it up and see what it sounds like, see how she runs. So stay tuned. Alright humans, back today. I got the blower all put back together. I just didn't finish filming yesterday. It didn't really do much as performance. It's a little bit louder, I mean maybe a tiny bit, but both the screws, which I don't know, the high and the low, are both all the way out counterclockwise, and it runs good, but I don't know why they both would be out. But if somebody knows, let me know, and if there's a way that I could turn them more, because you could tell if I could go more, but they're maxed out, that it'd have more horsepower. So if you guys know how to do it, please let me know. I hope it ain't like a year later from now, so when this gets posted, because I probably won't have this blower. But anyway, I'm going to show you a cold start just for the hell of it, so you can hear it, just to finish this video off. I appreciate you guys watching and whatnot. So like I said, it's a cold start. Pretty cold in the garage. Just got a fire going, so I'll let you hear it. don't want to rev the shit out of it, seeing that it's still cold, but I mean, it's alright. I mean, it's just a small blower, so it does the job better than one of those hand ones, I guess. So, but if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Many more videos of all my other shenanigans I get into. Dirt bikes, four-wheelers, my 8N that I want you guys to see. I'm putting the flywheel ring gear on that, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks.